Anthony from Car Candy. Today we're going to be using Car Candy's Chocolate Thunder Plus. This is our acid-free wheel and tire cleaner. This product is diluted 6:1. We also have the regular version, which can be ready to use, or diluted down 4:1, and that is Chocolate Thunder. So when applying our wheel cleaner, you always want to make sure the wheel is cool to the touch. We're going to spray down our tire first, and then go ahead and start spraying the wheel. We're going to allow this product to dwell for 30 to 60 seconds before doing anything else. Now the product's dwelled, we're going to go ahead and agitate our tire. You can really see that tire blooming coming out. This product is also a non-agitation product. You can simply let it sit and then pressure wash it off. Chocolate Thunder Plus is safe on most wheels. If you're unsure, contact your wheel manufacturer. Thank you all for watching our video. If you want to know more about the product or order, visit us online and be sure to follow our social media.